3 suspects in the murder of 14-year-old Raven Wilson are now in police custody.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The police have confirmed that they are now questioning 3 male suspects in their custody in relation to the killing of 14-year-old Ocho Rios High School student Raven Wilson. The teenager's body was found in bushes close to her home in Top Road, St. Anne's Bay on Sunday, October 21. The 3 males were arrested on Market Street in St. Anne's Bay on Wednesday, October 24. Senior Superintendent Michael Smith, who heads the St. Anne Police, confirmed that a number of persons were being questioned, but said no one has yet been charged. The police said, based on the tensions that have been building up in the parish following the death of the teenager, they would not be disclosing much on the individuals who are being questioned until investigations lead to someone being charged. Wilson's body was discovered in a garbage bag in bushes on Sunday morning. She had been missing since Friday, October 19. The body was discovered by residents, reportedly with the throat slashed. Indications are that the police have collected statements to assist in their investigations. They have also reportedly recovered personal belongings of the schoolgirl, including her school bag and a pair of shoes, which have been classified as vital evidence in the probe. The teenager's school bag was reportedly retrieved from a premises in Top Road in St. Anne's Bay on Tuesday. It is understood that Wilson, who left home for school at about 6:30 a.m. on Friday, October 19, did not attend the institution that day. Residents of the community are said to be desperate for the girl's attackers to be identified and for justice to take its course. However, the police are concerned about the form of justice that some members of the community may have in mind.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.